Hello YouTube, ich hoffe, ja. I hope you are all doing great. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, so please excuse my if I say something wrong. I just want this to show you before I go to bed. I want to open it. This is a package that I received from Aliexpress. Thank you very much. And it is another display, but with AI functionality, and this was in there wrapped in other bubble wrap. So let's see what we got, because I have this laying on my desk all day and I cannot go to bed without opening this thing up. So let's go for the main attraction. It's a ESP P4. This is my first P4 ESP. HMI display, 7-inch. Oops. And parts jumping out of the box. First we got a mandatory USB cable. What we have here? Oh, we have a camera module. Let me open that up. I forgot that it did come with a camera. These are the ones that you also find on ESP camera boards. Put that back in. Cable, probably for I2 and we have two little speakers. Magnetic, obviously. And here is our display. Let me open it up with my OTF knife. I made a video about this. If you wanna check it out, I put a link in the description to the video and to the knife. It's really nice. So let's open it up, and here is it. Boy, does it have fingerprints on there? No. It has, of course, a protection film, screen protector, and let's see on the back. Wow. So actually this is the first time I'm seeing a ESP P4. Oh, there you go. Oh, have fun soldering that. Anyway, I was gonna say, so what we have the P4, we have a regular ESP for Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, because this chip does not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth capability. And here's probably the touch control chip. Here's a connector for the display, SD card slot, speaker right, speaker left, obviously when you turn it towards yourself. Reset boot button, UART1, I2. Oh, here is the connector for the camera. Here is the connector for the touch display. And here is the connector for the modules, which I'm going to show in a second. We have a power switch, UART0, USB 2.0. Well, we have two. Oh, UART1 we have over here. And then we have UART3N. Wow, a lot of connections. Speaker, battery. I wonder, because some boards you connect the battery and then the on-off switch doesn't really work. It's always on then, or when you connect power, it turns on without you being able to turn it off. We'll see that tomorrow. And then you have all these connections, a double row. Can you read it? I think you can. And this is it for the hardware. Oh, the speakers. Here are the places where you can glue the speakers on there. Do they have? Yes, they have double-sided tape on the back. So let's see, I will power it up as well. Let's look at the modules. We have 3 modules, wireless modules, additional. There was something else in here. Antenna. Come out. Haven't seen an antenna like that before. And they have their own USB connector as well, so they will probably work standalone as well. So this is the wireless module ESP-H2. I'm not sure what. Oh, I don't want to mix those up. Hehe. Anyway, I put it on the side, and then we have an RF 2401. That's a standard. And I do have receivers for that. Maybe I could use that for something. Okay, no extra antenna in here. It has a on-chip antenna. A tiny one. And this one has the SPI based. So that's that. And then we have a H.E.D.S.Clock. If I'm pronouncing it correctly. Module as well. I never used H.E.D.S.Clock. Like fantastic. And we will see what we can do with that. And that antenna is way different. And this is probably also SPI based. Yes, Clock Miso Mosi. And that's the wireless, the third wireless module. So I couldn't go to sleep without powering that thing up. Let's see what happens. Well, let's try a USB port. I don't know if it's gonna power up with that. Maybe. Oh, wow. There you go. Oh, that's nice. So it does work right out of the bed. Calculator. You always can use a calculator. How do we go back? Oh, swipe up. Yes, music player. Well, that's the demo music player. Settings. Wi-Fi. You can turn Wi-Fi on. And we'll probably find my Wi-Fi network. Audio, volume up, display, brightness. There you go. That thing was pretty dark. I wonder if... Yes, this is the screen protector. It's so big you can use it for other screens as well. So anyway, well, let's try about the device. Manufacturer Electro, software version 0.2.0. Well, camera is not gonna work because I have not connected it, obviously. Well, how do I get out of the camera? Links, rechts, oben, unten? Nein. Well, I guess you get stuck if you don't have the camera connected. Let's turn it off. Turn it back on. Boots up. I don't know if it's booting up. Don't go in the camera. Oh. You know, I knew how this game worked, but I forgot. Let's go on Squareline Studio. We have a clock. We can call Elena. And we can chat. Got the music player again. Weather. Alarms. You can set alarm. That's nice. I wonder if these work or if it's just a demo. And this is it. And you got the clock, you got the Wi-Fi battery power in percentage and the battery icon. These do not do anything. So, well, can I long click and add something? No, it's not a phone. So this was it for the initial unboxing and preview. I will try to get that screen protector off and connect the camera and the speakers, and then we'll see what it can do. I wonder where the microphone is. It's right there up the top. Amazing how small the microphones are and how good they work, because I'm using those as myself as well. So I don't see anything other than that. I'm not sure what that is. I cannot even read it, what it is, what it says. It looks like a RAM. Anyway, so this was the initial. If you want to see more, I don't know if I'm gonna make this a standalone video or if I'm gonna add something else to it and then upload it. But it's a nice panel. You know what? I want to see what was the resolution of this thing. Does it say it there? No. Settings, display, only brightness. I have to look it up. I don't remember what the resolution was. So anyway, this is my first ESP P4, right? Not S4, P4. Yes, ESP P4. We'll see what it can do. So if you don't want to miss it, you can hit the notification bell. No, you can hit this, you can subscribe and then hit the notification bell. I think the other way it doesn't work. And get up to date on this. And I also have a video coming up about this encoder from Waveshare with a round display, all aluminum CNC machine enclosure, including a battery, and anything else for that matter. So this was it. Thanks for watching. If I don't clip this together, then this is a standalone video, and stay tuned for more. Take care, everybody.